I gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Now in this time of people, I know you're staying home and people are wondering where are going to get that money? Oh my, well so easy, so done. Now is the time. By simple doing, simple advertisement, oh you can make so much money. And now NEWLINK just going to show you how. I'm going to leave some link below the video. You can click on those links and it will to where you can make those money. I'm telling you, plenty money.
These people here really need some help. So, getting some food for them in this COVID time. This is where they live. What it stink. What it stink. Where's it? Where's the rest of food? This is where they live.
Yeah, it can clean up still.
Wow. No, seriously?
Yeah, I really want a house. My office and land, you know. But I want a house to put it on.
Wow, no. No, serious.
I tell them, say, no big place. Tell them, say, I want a small patches, yeah? Thanks again.
Right here, so
I'm real far.
Let me see it.
What me there? Let's look at this.
So how long do you live here?
3 years ago now.
Man, she looks strong still. Woman looks so weak. She have a baby still, so.
What's your name?
My name is Tash.
Tash.
Paul.
I'm Paul. Okay, I don't need help.
Yeah, seriously.
Who you calling us?
Huh? Oh, I can look to CVM TV journey, one of them.
And you just want somebody to hear your voice and
Yeah, and all over the world.
alright, you just need some help. Alright,
Need some help.
I will send up this video and hope it's
But
some help to
you
you.
me don't send up already?
Hi baby.
Sorry.
What's your name?
So my name is Ashika, say it. Say it right there here. Did not say it, tell me can't hear. Ashika.
Tell me why you need help. You're hungry? That's why you need help?
Yes,
And you need to go to school, don't you?
yes,
Alright. I'm going to try and get some help for you, alright?
yes.
Okay.
Well, people, so before me even start talk or something, let me just say this first. Before me even, because I'm going to talk a whole heap of different part to that video, and people may agree with some point, people may disagree, I understand, but I'm just going to be realistic based on the video I watch. But the first thing I want to say is, the video is out on social media. I'm searching, trying to get contact for these people. You understand? Because it's sad for no say. In the end, them write a caption on this video say, these people need help. They don't provide a number, they don't provide nothing. So how you going to help these people? You don't know these people. You understand? So in the end, anybody know these people, please be sure you can contact NEWLINK and we can add the number in the description. You understand? That's how I put the video. So in the end, when you can't put out video, any vloggers at all, when you can't put out videos and when you not put no information, you get me, I say whether on on Facebook or whatever, and the person who go there video, make sure you put out the information where you can contact the person if you really need help for them. Well, at the end now, people want to say, honestly, the condition of the place is really bad. They really need a room, because that not look good for you raise a baby, you know. You understand? But next thing I may say is, honestly, the yard can look better. Man look strong, man no look weak or sick. Woman, she have a baby, yes, she no look so weak, she no look weak or sick. So in the end, things can do. You know, have to get up and kill a cell already, but they can move that pin there, straighten up or something, because I see where people live in stuff like this we call shock same way, but at least they look a surrounding, kind of look better and look there. You know what I mean? Now the end people, honestly, they need help, and anybody. Once we get the contact information, or if we do have it, we can help these people. You know what I mean? Because this video is all over social media. If we can help them, we please help them. But not the end people, honestly, and what me I say is, right? The man no look so weak, As I say, woman, no look so weak. So at the end, we know say there's a curfew, things like that and so, but what I want to know if these people are working before. I say one child, I don't know if they have more child or anything. I say one child, I saw one child there. You know what I mean? At the end, people, you know what I mean, we can help people, but sometimes people have to try help themselves also. As to what I said, you know what I mean? Because some people, you know, sometimes, honestly, they don't want to work. I'm not saying these people do, but they don't want to work and they expect people to just give them like that. Which other people out there who desperately in need, who can't work, maybe they can't walk, maybe they can't do this, and they desperately need it. But you have strong people. You have plenty hustlers in Jamaica. And Jamaica is so fortunate where you have means and ways how you can make money, which in some other country like where I'm at right now, it's unfortunate to know you can't do, because where me at now you can't go up on the streets and you hustle. You go sell a bag juice, or go sell a phone card, or go sell a piece of yam or banana, else them go lock you up. You understand? You know, see nobody do them something there, and like you have an event where you can go hustle and go do this or go do that. No, which Jamaica got it. You know what I mean? You have big market, you have this, which them place now. So Jamaica is fortunate where they can get stuff. You have much trees that grow this, breadfruit, banana, ackee, you know what I mean? So it is so blessed. And that's why I say, in the end, some people at Jamaica, to be honest, they live too, you know, because people see people giving out that and giving back, they feel like they can just go to people and just expect people to give them back like that. But now, this is nothing against nobody, but all I'm saying is, people, help people out there who really do need help. You understand? These people, honestly, they do need a place. And anybody can assist, as I say, please do help them. You know what I mean? But in the end, they look strong same way. And if you can find a job for that lady and for that man after this curfew COVID thing finished, please do. You understand? That's all I know NEWLINK have to say. So you don't know the thing of people. Once I get the contact where they can reach these people, I will definitely leave it. But for now, I don't got it. So enough love, enough respect, and stay blessed and protect on yourself. You understand? Remember to follow us on Facebook, NEWLINK Production. Follow us on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official, and Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Remember, if you want to contribute to the channel and you love the works, we have a link below the video already. You just click on that link, yeah man, the PayPal link, and you can make a contribution. We also have the NEWLINK shirt, them plenty different type of shirt, hoodies. We have the NEWLINK cup, them, you understand, NEWLINK phone case, so you can order them people, and this is 100% guarantee. And we have a discount offer on this stuff right now, so you click the link right below the video. And remember, all of the shirt them people support the thing. Once, love, attack, peace out, respect.